we have my favorite shape here, a rectangle. Measurements are in centimeters, which is great. We don't like inches over here. Oh, it's been corrected from the one used in the exam, so I guess that's a little lesson for you. If a diagram is just wrong, just roll with it. They'll fix it when they mark it. Don't worry about it. So here we go. So we have all these different sides, right, in terms of x and y, and we're given that the shaded area is 9 centimeters squared. And we're asked for the area of rectangle A, B, C, D. So there's this weird little overhang bit here. I see things expressed in x and expressed in y. So I guess a good place to start is we probably want to use this information, right? It's the only concrete area we have. So how can we form an equation in terms of our variables, x or y, for that area? And then we can equate it to 9 and then solve for an unknown. So I see the height of this small rectangle, this shaded one, is y, right? That's over there. And then the width is y minus 8. So we could say small rectangle, or if you want to be extra fancy, we could introduce letters E and F. And so rectangle A, B, E, F. Let's just change the order. Because I'm making up these letters, I can do what I want. So rectangle A, B, E, F. The area for that is y times y minus 8, which is y squared minus 8. And we know that that area, y squared minus 8y, when we expand, and that area must equal 9 centimeters. Right, so straight off the bat, we have a quadratic equation, which we can solve and figure out the value of y. So taking 9 off of both sides, and then solving for y, do y minus 1 times, y plus 1 times y minus 9. So they multiply to -9 and they add to -8. Therefore, y could be -1 or y could be +9. Now, since we're looking at measurements here, we'll take the positive solution, y equals 9. So we have worked out that this length here is 9. We can actually work this length out here as well, which is one side of the rectangle, right, because that's all in terms of y. However, we do have this expression here, which we don't know. So how could we work out x now? So we worked out y. I see this length down here, which is x, which is actually the same length as this one at the top, right, because it's a rectangle. So that would give us the expression x equals this plus that. Right, so let's write that out. So x equals y minus 8 plus y plus 2. Y minus 8 plus y plus 2, which if we group like terms is 2y minus 6. y minus 6. Great. And if y is 9, that is, what is that? 18 minus 6, so that's 12 centimeters. And we know so that's the horizontal distance. The vertical distance is x minus 4. Right, so x minus 4 is 12 minus 4, which is 8 centimeters. Therefore, the area of ABCD is 8 times 12, which is 96 centimeters squared. So to recap this one, we used this information about the small rectangle being 9 centimeters squared to solve for the unknown variable y. Right, so we found an expression for area in terms of y, equated that to 9, solved for y, and then we related y to x to solve for x, so that we could then get the sides of the rectangle, so that we could then get the area.